Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to take a screenshot on Windows laptop. If you have find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. On your laptop or computer, there is this PS or print screen button, and all you have to do is to click that one in order to start your print screen. This is what it looks like. Once you press or tap that one, a small box will pop up like this, and you can basically select that specific part where you want to take a screenshot. You can also take a screenshot of the full screen or the screen windows. To take a screenshot of a specific section, you just have to simply do like this, and you took a screenshot already. To paste the screenshot, go to your search menu and then type paint, click open, Control V or paste it right here. Now tap on crop and then select that specific area. Tap on file, save as. You can save this to your download or to your desktop, and then that's it. You can also change the title if it has similar title on your desktop. And then after that, you can now tap on save. So what you're going to do is you just have to go to your downloads or desktop and locate file name. You can search the name on the search icon, search more. And basically what you're going to do is to double tap or tap on open. So that's how easy it is to take a screenshot on Windows laptop. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.